Hello everyone and welcome back to Household Empties. So let's just jump around and get started. The paper products I have here, I have a couple of these bath tissues. Pretty good toilet tissue. No fuzzies. It doesn't tear easily. I don't mind this paper. Same with the paper towels. This is like 140 count. I like these paper towels. They get the job done. You can custom size. Perfect. Same with the tissues, 175 count. I love finding the 175 count. It's the biggest deal for your buck, and I love these. They work for what we need them to, and they're pretty soft. Garbage bags, I have the Good Scents flap ties. You get 12 in here, and they do have a nice spring scent to them. They are flap ties. These do rip easily. They're a thinner bag than the next ones I want to share. I love the Good Scents handle bags. They're scented like vanilla. They smell awesome. You do only get 10 in here. These are more durable and sturdy than these flap ties. I love these. I highly recommend trying out the handle bags over these. These are like a last minute. They didn't have my handle bags purchase. I did have another paper product. I just kept the packaging from this, and it's the 8 individual packs of the 9 2-ply tissues. I think these are great, especially around this time, for purses, for backpacks, and cars. We keep them in the car, my purse and backpack like suggested, and they're just little personal tissues, and we love these, and they have come in handy so many times. Well, from Scrub Buddies, I have the nail guard sponges, and these are the heavy duty ones for scrubbing and wiping power. And you get 3 in here. This is the value pack if you can find it. Normally you get 2. These are the colorful nail guard sponges, and these are a bit stronger than the regular 6-pack nail guard sponges, which I really love. But that day they didn't have those, and they had these, so I picked these up, and they were really nice. They continue to help protect my manicure, and I do dishes most of the time twice a day. So my manicure usually lasts and stays really beautiful, and I don't use any kind of expensive like top coats or anything like that. So I do believe these nail guard sponges help. Oh, I do repeat purchase the Palmolive Ultra Strength. This is a Walmart find, a Walmart buy, but you can buy 8-ounce bottles of the Palmolive just like this at your Dollar Tree. I just did the other day. But I do like the bigger bottle. This stuff is amazing. It's the best Palmolive I've ever used. Probably the best dish soap I've ever used as well. This stuff is amazing. Now, Mrs. Meyer's. I thought I would be happier with this dish soap, and I did pick it up in honeysuckle. Maybe next time a different scent. I'm usually not that sensitive to scents, but I think the formula is comparable to my Palmolive, and that it works fantastic. The scent is overbearing for me personally in this honeysuckle scent. So I finished it up, but I won't be repeat purchasing the honeysuckle dish soap. I just didn't care for the scent. But other than that, performed nicely. I loved the packaging. I love this bright yellow. And I love that it actually works for its price. More repeats here. I have the Suavital Complete. And this is a 12-load stain shield, pour-in kind of fabric softener, stain shield kind of thing. Scent booster, all in one. Color protection. And this was in Waterfall Mist. I love the scent of this. 14.4 fluid ounces for only $1. This works. Highly recommend picking it up, trying it out. It's nice to have several different scents to choose from, and they all smell, I've tried them all, they all smell very strong and nice, and they linger on your clothes. Okay, this also, I purchase this all the time. The LA's Totally Awesome 2-in-1 laundry detergent with the fabric softener and fresh scent. It is 64 fluid ounces. It says you get 32 loads. I always mention this in my video. I probably get about 15 loads out of this. I double the caps. I usually always do large loads, but it does get our clothes clean. They smell great, and it does what it's supposed to. So I like this, and I will continue to buy this. A new item here, Ajax Extreme Clean Laundry Packs. These were in Mountain Air, and these were a good find for the Dollar Tree. I mean, you get 16 pods for only $1. Once again, they did a good job at getting our clothes clean. They didn't have a super strong scent, that's my biggest complaint, but as for getting our laundry clean, they did fine. They did fantastic. Moving on, I have a Spick and Span antibacterial cleaner. This is a refill for your spray bottle, and I love the Spick and Span products. I always buy them. $1, they work nicely. These say they kill the COVID-19 virus. I'm not entirely sure about that, but they do kill germs, and they are a really good cleaner actually. They always come in nice scents as well. So I love the Spick and Span cleaners. Scrub Buddies, I have a 2-pack of quick erasers. My favorite is when I can find them in the 3-pack. I do like them with the other side with the sponge on them too, but this time I just have the quick erasers, and I've been using these all over the place. Fantastic. These are fantastic. And then from Scrub Buddies, I also have the wet Swiffer cloth refills, and I got the value pack in 10. I think it's usually 8. The packaging might look a little different from this now, but I also have their little mop kind of thing as well that you can buy at DollarTree, and I just strap these on and go with it. Clean the floor for quick cleans, and they do what they're supposed to. They're really nice, and I've never had one rip. They're absorbent. I also use them with an additional cleaner as well, so they work fantastic for me personally. So I have this Glade Clean Linen Solid Air Freshener. These are fantastic. I only use these in the bathroom, but very strong scent all the way up until it starts to dry out itself. Repurchase these for our bathroom, and they come in a ton of different scents for $1. Totally worth it. They're perfect for small spaces. Now I have some random stuff that I just wanted to touch bases on that I thought was kind of neat that the DollarTree does, and they have these Cupcake Kits, 24 pieces, and you get the cupcake wrapper and little pics with fun images on them. They're so adorable and worth your $1. I also picked up these Ink Just Right multicolored pens. They're a hybrid ink pen, and I just like scribbled a little on the back. There was like a green, a pink, and an orange, but they all write so nicely and so smoothly that I had to share them with you guys. And I also have this Ol Roy Munchie Bone bacon and cheese flavor, and Oscar loves these, and for $1 a pop you can't beat it. It's just a big nice munchy bone, and they love them. Well, Oscar does anyways. Last and final item I wanted to share is from the Assured brand, and it's Allergy Relief, and this is all day. And I just wanted to shed some light. This is comparable to Zyrtec, I believe. And you take one a day, so you get 12 in here, so 12-day supply of allergy medication. And John has pretty bad allergies, and these work. They actually work. So if you want to save some money and pick some Allergy Relief up at the DollarTree, these are pretty good. Win-win for the DollarTree. So that is my household empties. Stay tuned for more household empties. Thank you so much for watching.